Greetings, my name is SP Uday Kumar and I am talking to you from the southernmost tip of India. First of all, I want to wish you all a happy Independence Day. We are commemorating the 73rd Independence Day today. And I want to talk to you about one particular issue that really comes to haunt us, not just us, our future generations also. The Environmental Impact Assessment Notification 2020 is compromising our basic interests. And the Ministry of Education, Forest and Climate Change has issued this notice for public scrutiny without giving sufficient time. In fact, the deadline has been extended twice because of popular pressure. They want to utilize this corona curfew period to push through this legislation and get their way in support of the big business houses and multinational corporations. I want to highlight a couple of things that are really not good for our country. First of all, they are making several exemptions for quite a lot of things like irrigation projects and all projects concerning national defense and security, projects that the central government may deem to be strategic, and offshore projects beyond 12 nautical miles, and projects that come up in the border areas and so forth. Now, these exemptions make a large chunk, and the government can announce any particular project as a strategic project and get rid of the whole environmental impact assessment report, public hearing, and all of that. An important concern here is the push for coal. The government of India has already announced its decision to do coal mining in 41 areas. Remember, our concern is climate change. If that is really true, we should not push for the coal industry. But we are saying one thing on the other hand and doing exactly the opposite on the other hand. The government is, the new EIA notification 2020 is extending the life of a coal mine project up to 50 years. Can you imagine the impact of all these various coal mining projects across the country for the next half century? It will be drastically devastating. So the climate change concerns are not being addressed by this piece of legislation, but it is being aggravated. And that is an important consideration that we need to take into account when we talk about this EIA notification 2020. On the other hand, they are also pushed for nuclear power, saying that that will be the real answer for climate change concerns. Now, polluted air is certainly a problem, but poisoning the earth with deadly nuclear waste that we have to manage for the next 48,000 years is definitely not the answer. As a citizen of India, I want to preserve this country, its natural endowments and resources for the future generations. India cannot and should not be up for sale so that the business houses within the country and corporate houses outside the country can come and loot our resources for their profit and well-being. No, we cannot allow that. We should not allow that. So I would like to appeal all of us to take a solemn resolve that the EIA notification 2020 should be withdrawn completely, and we need to protect the natural endowments and resources for our own successive future generations. The Constitution of India talks not only about our rights and entitlements, but it also lists a lot of duties for us. And it is our duty to defend the natural resources and endowments of our country, preserve our natural beauty for the upcoming generations. And I would like to appeal to you on this Independence Day that we should be loyal to the Constitution and uphold those duties of us. Thank you.